Hello students, today we will be starting with a new chapter 2.3. Now this chapter is included in your syllabus except the page number 68, activities 10, 11 and 12 is omitted. The warming up also is only the activity 1, that is connect the dots to give or get the what it means is not there. Okay. Now students, see, going to the chapter 2.3 in part 1, I will give you all the introduction. The introduction of this is in a speech form. Yes, speech given by whom? By Steve Jobs, and it is given to graduate students of Stanford University. This speech was given in the year 2005. Yes. Now, why was this speech given to the graduate students? You know, students after graduation, students go for other professions, they take on jobs or they become entrepreneurs or whatever. And this is a motivational speech, and that is why it's included in your portion. Now, going to the warming up. Yes, now we will be doing activity 2. Yes, activity 2, because activity 1 and 1A and B is not included. Okay, now you are quite familiar with computer, especially the personal computer. From pairs, make a list of famous computer manufacturing companies. Now one is given to you: Apple, second Macintosh, third Dell Computers. Yes, then Infotech, all these computers. You can name some more also. Now complete the web by filling the various benefits of computers. Now benefits of computers, students, see that this can come for a 2-mark question. Yeah, activity 1 2-mark question. Now benefits of computers is, if you go clockwise, first of all, saves time and space. You can write in the first block, saves time and space. Second block, you can write reduce human errors. Reduce human errors. In the third block, increase work efficiency. Increase work efficiency. And the fourth block, you can write sharing information becomes easy. Sharing information becomes easy. Okay. Now students, activity 4A of the warming up. Expand the following in their full forms. Now you know these are called as contractions. Now if you expand them, like that's become that is. Didn't become did not. Years become year is. Can't becomes cannot, and I becomes I have. So you have to write this in your notebooks. Now activity 4B, write the shortened forms of the following. You have will become you, YOU apostrophe VE. B1, I would become I'd, I apostrophe D. C, it's, it is becomes its, IT apostrophe S. The D1, you are becomes your, YOU apostrophe RE. E, he will become he'll, HE apostrophe LL. We pronounce it as he'll. Now F, I had becomes I'd, I apostrophe D. You know we use this even when we are writing question tags. Yes, yes. Will not becomes won't, WON apostrophe T. Shall not becomes shan't, SHAN apostrophe T. Are not becomes aren't, AREN apostrophe T. Need not becomes needn't, N-E-E-D-N''T. Must not becomes mustn't. M-U-S-T-N''T. Ought not becomes oughtn't. O-U-G-H-T-N''T. Yes, this you have to write it in your notebooks. Now, in this part, that is part 1, I will give you all the introduction of this lesson. Now, connecting the dots, as I told you, it is what is the meaning of this topic, this title, that one idea gives rise to another idea. You might be knowing, when long time back, okay, man came on earth. Man did not know anything. Yes, he saw nature. He connected the dots. Gave his one idea gave rise to another idea. Another idea gave rise to another idea. And man mainly observed nature. Yes, he got lot of ideas from nature. And these ideas led him to progress. Yes, it gave him progress. So, connecting the dots is nothing but connecting one idea which gives rise to another idea gives rise to another idea, and you keep on moving ahead. Okay, now in this lesson we will learn about Steve Jobs, who is giving his own examples to these graduate students to get motivation, and his attitude here is never say die. What means never say die? Never give up. Okay, whatever the situation, you have to face it. Whether the difficult situations are there, you cannot just give up. You just cannot quit. You have to keep going. Okay, that is what his idea in this speech of his, and he is giving his own example. So Steve Jobs did not get success at one go. He struggled for it. Okay, now going to the his introduction. Steve Jobs, 1955 to 2011. Yes, he expired in 2011, and this speech was given, yes, during his lifetime. I told you in 2005. Was an American entrepreneur, a businessman. Yes, his own business magnate. Yes, he was well known among all the world's businessmen. Inventor means he invented his own products. An industrial designer, he designed his own products. He did not borrow or did not take designs of others. He was the chairman, chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple. Apple, you remember Apple? Nowadays we get iPhones, Apple. Yes, you might be seeing that logo, Eaton Apple. That also idea of this logo was got by Steve Jobs. He wanted to give his product a logo. You know what is a logo? Yes, a symbol. And he had just had an apple. He took a bite of it. He kept it on the table, and he was just thinking what logo to give my computer. And suddenly he's seen that apple, a bite taken, he gave that logo. So that idea is so good, it looks so nice, and Eaton Apple. Okay, so that is how he invented his own logo. Co-founder of Apple Incorporation, he is widely recognized as one of the pioneers. Pioneers means founders, yes, leaders of the microcomputer revolution. Microcomputer means small computer, because the first computer that was invented was so big and it was made in a room. Yes, it was prepared in a room and it was stationary. They could not move it out of the room. But today we have computers even in our mobiles. Yes, and he was the founder of it, of the 1970s and 1980s. Okay, so here we will see now in this speech form. In the next part, I will read the lesson part by part and I will explain it to you all. And students, this lesson is important because it is motivational. It gives us courage to face life bravely. Okay, so we'll do it in the next part.